And we're back with another video. So in last video you would have seen us how to get free bikes. So we ended up getting these two. So yeah, I guess it's like getting and restoring them. I'm gonna work on that one, the VEM Star. So I think the Trek will be fun with like Braden's here to help me work on it. But before we get into working on to that beautiful masterpiece, I think Braden, I told you we had a bike out back already. So do you want to see that? Of course you do, we're not saying of course you want to see it. Well, here it is. It's a bit bad, but you know what, that's our specialty, we fix our bikes. So that's it, that's a sneak peek, no more than that. Stay tuned for that in an upcoming video, which I don't know when actually. But yeah, let's get working into that bike. Yeah, best thing is I was going to move the trailer out because it's pretty much taking out pretty much the whole space, so it needs as much room as we can. Do. Yeah, so now I'm going to find my trusty bike stand, which should be somewhere. Found it. I got two there actually. I don't know where that one came from, but we'll chuck it right there and get the bike out. Got flat tires. Right, so let's start. Yeah, so first things first, we always set the reflectors off, so I'll do that first if I can do it one-handed. I'm flying. It can stay there. And this can go up here. And the other one, which is here. Oh, these are like locked up. There we go. And that one went pretty far too, but not as far as the other one. Nice. So I guess next we'll do front and back reflectors and the rear, what should we call it? So I was going to chuck this bad boy on this bike, but I thought, I think I'll chuck it on that bike, so that can stay over there for now. Yeah, so I think next we'll take off the tyres, because I need to get new tubes in them as well. So let's do that. Okay, so before I can take the tyre off, I gotta take the brakes off, because you know the tread hits the brake pads. So I'll quickly do that. It's just like a quick thing. You just squeeze it together, and then pop it out. Take out the quick release, and there you go, the whole tire's out. Yeah, so now I got the front tire off, I gotta take the back tire off. So for me personally, I find it easier to take the back tire off when the bike's upside down. So I'll see that quickly. Okay, so now I got the bike upside down. I like to shift into the highest gear, which is the smallest cog, as you may know. It just makes it easier for when I put the tire back on and I remember which one to go onto. So let's take the tire off. Okay, so now I get both tires off. I guess now it's time to change them. So let's do that first. So the bike's all done nearly. So all I have to do is, well, I put the tubes in already, so I just gotta pump them up, put them on the bike, and then give it a wash probably, because yeah, as you can tell, it's like all mud all over the tires. So we'll fix that. Okay, now I got the back wheel on. All we have to do is tighten the quick release, which I've already screwed it up, so let's go for well, there we go. And then now once you've done that, you just pedal forward to get in the right gear. There we are. So yeah, I would use the brakes, but the brakes aren't connected. So let's do that next. So by now I would have got the clip about me fixing a bike, as you expect that's what the video is about, but sadly the camera died. So I'm filming the rest of this just on my computer just for I edit it, just so I have to wait like a week before we finish the video, so sorry about that. So hopefully next video will be us restoring the other bike when Brady comes over, but yeah. Ooh, Brady just texted me. Yeah, never mind. So yeah. Peace.